Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you how we can define parametrized steps. We have a simple login test already implemented and I'll show you how to make it more maintainable by adding parameters to some steps. We'll transform this step, which contains hard-coded values, into a parametrized step. In order to define the parameters for this step, we need to set the parameter name inside these arrows. You can see this pattern is recognized by Testerum. A parametrized step can be easily reused in other tests and it will make your tests easier to maintain. At this point, we can see that this step contains two parameters. We go in the substeps and replace the hard-coded values with the name of the parameters declared in the parent step. We put the parameter name inside double curly brackets because this way they will be evaluated at runtime and will be replaced with their values. Inside the parent step, where we have declared our parameters, we assign values according to our test case. Let me explain one more time to you what we've done so far. We have a parameterized step with two parameters. These parameters are called in the substeps between double curly brackets and are evaluated when we trigger the test execution. We will create another test case where we insert the parameterized step again, but with different values. See how simple and fun it is to use the parameterized steps for creating new test cases. I will execute these two tests to verify if everything is correct. Looks like our tests are passing and everything is fine. That was for this video. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.